Go-karting is definitely a game of fun that can help you spend endless hours of enjoyment with friends. Most go-karting doesn't need any prior experience, but it is just as challenging as learning a new sport. Children can learn safety rules and how to maneuver a car by driving a go-kart. This is also an awesome outlet for kids that are interested in racing and other motorsports. Go-karting also comes with a lot of safety rules, and if all the rules and regulations are followed correctly, it can be a very safe activity for all ages. It can teach kids of all ages how to follow and abide by road rules. So if racing is your passion, go-karting is a superb starting point for beginners. However, people regard go-karting as a bit of fun, but there are also lots of health benefits to be enjoyed from participating in this activity. Go-karting is an adrenaline-pumping game which increases the rate of blood circulation, metabolism, and breathing. So here we are giving the 5 best go-karts list on the market in 2022 that you are looking for.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
If you're looking for a go-kart that is quite different from the rest, then the razer Dune Buggy will surely catch the attention of both you and your baby. With its red frame and black base, diamond plate floorboards, and padded bucket seat, it has a classic go-kart aesthetic. It is a perfect gift for kids 8 years old and up who want to speed around the neighborhood and country roads. This go-kart boasts of its electricity-operated design with a powerful 350-watt motor, and the rechargeable battery can last for 40 or so minutes on one charge, which should be sufficient time to enjoy the ride. It uses a 24-volt battery system that is very easy to use. The Buggy has knobby pneumatic tires that consist of 8-inch front wheels and rear wheels. The padded seat comes with a lap and shooter seat belt and a tubular steel frame for included safety and security. The thumb trigger acceleration allows for variable speeds, while the hand-operated rear brakes offer superb stopping ability. Also, its steering wheel has a very responsive and easy-to-use rear disc brakes. Moreover, this buggy ride can be their best form of enjoyment as little racers breeze down the road with its 9 mph speed. Additionally, this go-kart also has an easily noticeable safety flag for every parent to reassure them with the speed and safety as their little one rides on it. The instruction manual is also added to guide you in using this go-kart, charging and maintenance tips. So if you're planning to gift this buggy to your school-age kid, this exciting go-kart is the ideal combination of fun, safety, and entertainment. Segway Ninebot electric go-karts provide people with new ways to get around. The Segway Ninebot drift kit is an amazing addition to this world of mobility and can help you drift like a pro. It introduces several neat features, including additional driving modes that are fun for both kids and adults alike. Also, you'll be able to get the full go-kart experience while reaching speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. The handbrake and brake pedal can switch forward and backward, and with a steering ratio of 2.1:1, this go-kart allows for precision steering. Plus, watch your kids as they get behind the wheel for some serious drifting action. This go-kart can go from 0 to 12 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. Furthermore, this go-kart kit comes with an adjustable frame length which accommodates individuals as tall as 6 feet 5 inches and as short as 4 feet 3 inches, with a max load of 220 pounds. Also, its compact design also helps while storing and transporting, easily fitting inside a regular-sized trunk. Overall, suitable for anyone looking to fulfill their need for speed, the Segway Ninebot electric go-kart drift kit will be the best. And with this kit, you'll enjoy all the power and speed of a go-kart. If you're looking for a drifter kart with an electric motor, you might like this Razer Ground Force Drifter Kart 1. This go-kart is a must-have for children interested in both the drifting world and go-karts. This go-kart from Razer is extraordinary, ideal for children aged 8 years and up. Made with an alloy steel frame, this one will protect your child during a crash. It has a comfortable seat and seat belt. This go-kart is equipped with four 4.5-inch knobby pneumatic tires, and they are capable of running smoothly over an array of surfaces. At the rear, there is a suspension system working to smooth out bumps even further. Razer has put a spin on the classic go-kart by including a chain-driven motor powered by two 12-volt batteries. The engine enables the go-kart to reach a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour. However, the batteries require 12 hours to charge and then allow up to 40 minutes of use. It also includes a reduction drive, and this will maximize the engine's torque. In addition, the thumb trigger acceleration control with variable speed and hand-operated rear brake helps make this go-kart easy for kids to handle. Overall, it is an impressive kart, well-made and long-lasting. Also, the Razer Ground Force Drifter kart is a fantastic choice if you're looking for an electric-powered kart to stay on the asphalt or concrete. If your kid is a Batman fan and wants to protect their city against a villain, the Hauck Batmobile pedal go-kart will be the best for you. With its hero front cover design and race-style pedals, your little hero is ready to race the villain off the streets. It is a pedal model which includes features that provided the Dark Knight feel. They can safely accommodate children between the ages of 4 to 8. The rubber wheels and 8-ball style brake will ensure a better grip and a smooth ride. A sturdy steel frame protects your little hero against impact and crashes. Also, the handle brake works on both rear wheels to control the speed while going around corners. The villain may think slipping down the alley is an escape route, but the 3-point steering wheel responds quickly to your child's steering maneuvers. Moreover, the seat pocket not only keeps the child safe while driving, but the seat is also adjustable. Plus, it will comfortably fit your child's height. The maximum weight limit for this Batmobile is 120 pounds, and it weighs 22 pounds, so you can easily pick it up and store it when they aren't using it. Finally, if your Batman-loving kid wants a Batman-themed gift for his birthday or special occasion, then the Hauck Batmobile pedal go-kart will be an impressive choice. The Berg Pedal Kart Body Orange is a smart and stylish go-kart. Made from sturdy steel and coated in bright orange, it is perfect for children aged 3 to 8 years. The Berg Body Pedal go-kart features an attractive build quality with a robust design. They include a BFR hub, which enables the rider to brake, go forward and reverse without the use of gears. Your child has to pedal slightly back to reverse or brake. Its rubber wheels provide durability and wonderful traction. At the front, there's a swing axle, allowing it to turn on a dime. It will smoothly turn even when riding on uneven surfaces. The Buddy go-kart is reasonably robust. It is based on a tubular steel frame, delivering strength without excessive weight. Fitted on the car are 4 large pneumatic tires, providing a safe and controlled ride. They provide amazing traction as well as durability. Furthermore, to keep them rolling smoothly, each features a seal bearing, eliminating the need to lube the wheels. All in all, the Berg Pedal Kart Body Orange meets all the safety standards, so your little racers are on for another off-road adventure.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.